Alright guys, let's get started with Azure. Azure Terraform Authentication. Alright, there we go. Okay, so we have four options here. So the first one is saying Azure CLI. Sounds like a good idea, but let's see what's the next one. Manage service identity. So this is something that we just set up in Google, but the fine print here is, okay, so here, not all Azure services support managed identities, and availability varies by region. So we cannot use it in all cases. And then client certificate, client secret, this gets even more complicated and we want simple. So we're gonna go here. Let's see, logging into the Azure CLI. This is something we have already done. So we did this as part of the Azure CLI install. Now, easy account list. Okay, it's not giving me. So this is JSON output, and I have set the default output format to text. Okay, so it's giving us information about two projects, and this is the one that I'm going to use. So let's get this information into a text pad. All right, let's go to the next step. And that's it, guys. So there we go. We're set up for Azure now. And once again, I'm going to take that and put it in here. And go back. Which folder? No, this is not in the folder. CV, GCP, VMs. Okay, and now Terraform init. Alright, looks like we're good to go here too. Last one is AWS. Alright, authentication, static credentials. Okay, we definitely don't want to do this because it's going to be visible everywhere. And so the other option is AWS Access Key ID and AWS Secret Access Key ID. Okay, but this is the file that already has our credentials, right? And there are multiple profiles, if you guys remember. So all I'm gonna do is come here. In the profile, the region is set, and so is the shared credential file. And I think the profile that I'm using, let's see, cat .aws slash config and default. Let's see what happens now. All right, all done, guys. All right, I guess it doesn't like us not providing reason. So US East 1. So this is one more silly thing that you are going to keep seeing. But we copied this straight from the website, and it's saying um, whatever the field is no longer used. But yeah, let's ignore that. See you in the next chapter, guys.